Hello guys, here we have the new Hisense television, Vidaa Smart. It's the Vidaa 7 operating system here, U8 series, 65 inch, mini LED, ULED, quantum dots. The brightness is very high here, 1000 plus nits, says the box. So we have all the features here, Netflix, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, HDR plus. So Hisense provides all the systems here, even gaming mode. So we remove the box. It's very easy, and this is the TV inside, very well packed with a protection in front. Here we see the protection, the front protection of the screen, and then on the back we can see the stand. So inside the box we discovered the 3 bags of screws in order to install the stand. 12 screws in total to how you have to install it. The batteries for the remote control. The remote control is brand new. It's different than last year's HQ. This KQ, it comes with this aluminum remote control. And as we can see, the buttons here are very nice. They have nice feeling, and we install batteries here in this compartment. Very easy and very fast. Last year was plastic, this year we have aluminum one, so this is an extra value for the TV. Then we have the stand, consists of 2 pieces, as you can see, 1 piece here. And then we have a very analytical instructions guide, let's say, that guide us how to install properly the television with IKEA-like pictures. We have to do 3 screws here and 3 more up there, the other side. So we have here in total 3 and 3, 6, plus 1 there, 7, and 1 up at the corner, 8 screws in total. I did the stand, all screws are in place, even the ones here that they're going to the plastic compartment, and the other 6 are going to metallic parts of the second piece of the stand. The stand is ready, so we're almost about to plug the TV on the stand. So we did that. So the first and the second one are for 120 Hz 4K. The first and the second is DMIs. The rest of the inputs are here, located here. We have one extra USB here, digital out, optical, and the LAN to connect our home network if we don't like to use the Wi-Fi. This is the subwoofer on the back, since the television has a Dolby Atmos setup system, audio system. So in total we have 2.1.2 channels Dolby Atmos. The sub on the back is 20 watts, and the 2 up firing speakers are 5 watts each. So this is the speakers that are firing up to the ceiling. That's why there is this compartment, let's say, this extra part on the back of the TV for the Dolby Atmos loudspeakers which are lying behind this grill. The subwoofer is here, as we said, which is 20 watts. And here we have the backside inputs, 3 of them, and the other inputs are on the side. Everything is covered. For the mains we have this kind of plug, which is very nice because accepts ground, and it performs better. The TVs that are using this are, for my opinion, are better than the others that are using just 2 leads. In front we have the 2 speakers, as we said, in front that are firing towards to the viewer. There are 2 speakers here, 2 channels, 10 watts each, covered with this special cloth. You see the cloth? It goes all the way on the side, from side to side, and on the one corner we have the logo of Hisense. So we are ready to set up the television. We just plug it on the mains. So we can do it with our smartphone, just scanning the QR code, or with the remote control. So this is the new layout of Vidaa 7, the new home screen. I think it's more juicy, let's say, than Google TV. Has more things to play around. Vidaa Store, free movies says here. Let's check this. Get started. So Vidaa Free provides movies here. You pay nothing and you have a lot of content available. Disney Plus, UEFA TV, I remember this from the World Cup. Here has a lot of, for the fans of the football, here they can find a lot of highlights. So Vidaa 7 is looking very promising and very well organized. I like it so far very much. Inputs, so we have 40 HDMIs, AV, AirPlay, screen sharing, content sharing, music sharing, connection guide. We have direct access to the inputs. Here is the regular menus of the TV, confirm. We have underneath, you can see we have the standard picture mode, filmmaker, cinema day, cinema night, dynamic, sports. Let's select cinema day because the room here is not that dark right now. Picture mode settings, very nice analytical menus here. The TV provides warm, standard, cool, expert settings, color gamut, DCI-P3, BT709, Adobe native, color tuner to adjust, to calibrate the colors, white balance at the same to calibrate the, let's say, color temperature, gamma adjustment, gamma calibration, dark detail, gradient low, RGB only, blue light, low blue light if we have to care for our eyes. So TV looks very complete, very full in terms of features. Audio mode, theater, music, this is different modes to select. Let's leave it to standard. Dolby Atmos is enabled or not. And sound settings, equalizer, gain, bass boost, wall mount setup, internet connection, wake up, Bluetooth, accessibility, system, it has a PVR time shift, so you can record with this TV your channels. And underneath we have system information. Let's check the version of the system is this one here. And here we are checking this famous YouTube clip from LG for the black levels. So TV 65 inch has 1008 zones, a lot for 65 inch. So do you want the TV to start from the screen? So here we have some suggestions. Not now. Let's go to inputs to check because I plugged something. Let's check it. HDMI 4 is highlighted, so there is a device here. Device is Xbox, as you can see. Xbox is connected. Press menu to have press menu. So TV already has discovered 4K 120 Hz here, as you can see. video modes, everything is checked. Let's make this as well checked. So all the boxes have a checked mark. HDMI 4. As you can see here in the game, Dolby Vision, we see 119 Hz, almost 120. We can play. So for first time, Hisense provides gaming menus, as you can see here. By pressing this button of on the remote control, this one with the lines, you can enable the special menu for the gaming, frames per second, viewing on. Let's have it on. Brightness, you can adjust brightness here. Menu here, HDMI format, enhanced format. Picture mode here is Dolby Vision. So we have Dolby Vision for gaming, Dolby Vision custom to adjust. We have Dolby Vision dark, Dolby Vision IQ, so there are a lot of Dolby Visions here. Very gaming, this TV is a lot focused to the gaming, not only to cinema or to movies or to TV or to YouTube, let's say Netflix streaming services, but on gaming as well. Let's check some picture quality now, panning test.
You still there, monkey? Huh?
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy.
And the TV holds the black levers very nicely. You see here it's a mini LED TV, guys, it's not OLED. And it looks like extremely good TV for me. In my eyes, this is very nice. I haven't not calibrated the TV yet. I haven't not, properly tested. Just having the first looks and checking all the technologies and inputs and outputs. And so far I'm very impressed from the performance of this TV. Look, the dark levels. Very well balanced, very well treats the image in a very nice way. Has no overexposed, not the motion is very accurate. I can see this time Hisense has created something good. This is the U8K2, it's 2023 model, it's 65 inch. Definition, very good, guys. Dolby Vision IQ, IMAX Enhanced, Filmmaker, Dolby Atmos speaker setup on the back, gaming features, a VA panel. So the panel this year is not IPS, it's VA, guys. So it's a major step forward for Hisense for this ULED top level television for this year, guys. Mini LED 1008 zones. Thanks for watching.